We'll do that.
Yeah, couple bucks down today. We'll lock it in. To your new car in January. Congrats.
Oh yeah. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Yeah, this is the video you guys been waiting for. So finally, you guys gonna see that new 2.0 2022 Accord with the color you guys been, you know, waiting to see what color it's going to be. And yeah, I'm very excited. Today is the delivery. Gotta pick it up. And yeah, so if you're tuning into my channel, I appreciate the support, guys. We're gonna be going from here. The goal is 50K subscribers by the end of this year, 2022. All right, so let's make that happen. Without you guys, this channel would have been here today. So thanks to you guys' support and everybody else that's tuning in recently. Thanks for the subscribe, like, and commenting, of course. And I still reply to everybody literally the same day or the next day, even though I'm having 20K subs right now. But yeah, because it's all because of you, so I'm returning it back with you know, replies and taking care of you guys on IG as well. So make sure you guys follow my Instagram as well at RedLineMods.official. Put that in the description below. So let's go pick up the car. I'm super excited, guys. So stay tuned, keep watching. This is it, guys. That's what you've been waiting for. Let's walk around it real quick, check it out. Let me know, comment below what you guys think, if you like the color. I know some of you guys were expecting a Sonic Pearl Gray. I didn't go with that route because when I looked at the modifications and body kit and everything like that, it just wouldn't go with the Sonic Pearl Gray. It was just a darker color, but I feel like the Pearl White is kind of universal. Would go in any kind of modifications. Look really great in the winter, fall, you name it, summer, spring. But yeah, that's it, guys. This is the car I got, and it's a blessing. A lot of you guys know in New York, most of you guys from Pakistan, India, and stuff. So you guys say Alhamdulillah, right? So it's a blessing, guys. And just do a nice walk around. The beauty is no more at the 1.5. I had to have my keys out, but now I don't. Now I'm just hanging out. It's already. But check out the interior though. This is my very first modification. As you can see, the interior is fully leather, ivory with red stitching. Tell me not how sexy that is, right? Comment below what you guys think of the contrast, black and ivory with red stitching. You can show them in the back seat. All right, check that out. Oops, my bad. Comment below what you guys think. Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe, share if you haven't already. And yeah, there's gonna be a lot done to this car, of course. Like, I'm not gonna tell you guys. This is gonna be a spoiler. Nope, not telling you. So make sure to hit the bell icon so you're notified on what's gonna be happening on. Okay, I guess step by step. You know, we'll do a really nice, clean build on this one, beyond your expectations, of course, and myself too. And it's a dream come true for me. Honestly, it's a 2.0. And 10-speed transmission is a night and day difference with 1.5. If you guys are in the market buying an Accord right now, guys, do not buy the 1.5, please. Spend an extra 3-4 grand extra and get a 2.0. You'll be happy for the next 3 years at least. If you're financing it 5-6 years, you'll enjoy it. I'm sure my friend Andrew would agree. Would you? Yes, he would. He's got the nod right there. But yeah, the front, we definitely know that we're gonna go get rid of that chrome, of course. The chrome part, I already got it pre-ordered. Of course, front lip's gonna be coming soon, and the wheels, it's about time. You guys wanted me to get wheels, but I didn't because I had the 1.5. I told you that I'm gonna be spending the money on the 2.0 mostly, since that's a keeper. And what you guys think about, you know, the sides being glossy, gloss black? I like that fact that I don't have to wrap it with vinyl or anything like that. So that's the best part on this thing. And the music, for music, the antenna in the back is also gloss black. I like that contrast. Kind of stands out. It's pretty cool. So if I do want to wrap this head in the future black, I don't have to worry about this. You guys know this is the very hard part right there. But yeah, I'm going to be having a different taillights, of course, for sure. The reflectors, you name it, exhaust. comment below if I should get a Borla exhaust or a DC Sport exhaust, because I've driven a Borla, but it's like, it's alright. But it's loud and stuff like that, but DC is more performance exhaust and more cleaner, more deeper voice, more bass tune, so I like that more. Comment below if you guys actually agree with me on that. But again, congrats to me, right? But thanks for your support, of course. Could have been done without you guys. And that's the beauty, the Black Beauty right there. Batmobile is leaving us tomorrow possibly, and I'll be transitioning into that other one right there. All right, so yeah, we got some new features that I'm actually really excited about. Is, well, the headlights are aggressive. Let's start off with that first. The headlights are aggressive on this. They're all LED. The fog lights redesigned, of course. All bumpers redesigned. Then that one is side by side right there in comparison. And what I really like about the new features is the fact that I got keyless entry now. I could go ahead and lock the car from here. Give it a second. There you go. And also coming in, I have a wireless CarPlay, and I don't have to worry about the wires anymore. I'm happy with that too. I got shift by wire. No more the traditional ones. I got to pull the levers. So no more hitting into it when I try to grab my coffee and whatever you guys drink and stuff like that. But wireless CarPlay, I'm excited about that. Remote start, I don't got to spend a couple $100 on that for the 1.5. Remote start is a beauty when it's super hot and super cold out there. Heated seats is a big one. A moonroof. See, it was closed. That's why I couldn't remember. But yeah, though, I got the moonroof. It's about time. And this is awesome. It's all leather. I just love that leather steering wheel. But this is gonna be customized, guys, soon. What else we have in this thing new? The way it starts, it picks up so quick. It's just amazing. Yeah. It's the moonroof. Well, stay tuned, guys. Definitely. I mean, it's a blessing, guys. I'm excited. You guys, what I feel, you guys can't feel right now. But in the back, I think, yeah, in the back we do have ports now, USB ports, so I don't have to worry about my family members or anybody asking me for a USB port. Like, hey, do you have a USB port? Guess what? I got two in the back and the vents as well, so nobody's gonna be complaining about why the heat is so less in the back and stuff like that. So that's gonna be it's gonna work out really good. And yep, that's that. And if you guys haven't seen my Accord, it's on my channel, of course. I did modifications to it, step by step. All the videos are on YouTube channel. The playlist has it all. And one thing, guys, did you notice that I don't have bumper holes for the front plate? So what I'm gonna do about this one is take it off and put neodymium magnets behind it. They're very strong. So I'm gonna magnetize this pretty much. In the back is gonna be magnets, and the front I'm just gonna stick it. So this way I don't have holes. You see, previously I had holes over there, so I had to put the magnets on here and screw those into those holes. We had 3 holes, but now we're clean. We're Gucci on this one for sure. So that's it, guys. That's for the video. And stay tuned. We'll be more videos should be coming up soon. Comment below what you guys want me to do first, and we'll go start over there. Peace out.